Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert the honey seed to the normal seed for your main garden in Grow Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that we can only plant the honey seeds in honey garden. So maybe you have a rare honey seed, but you can plant it in your normal garden. But don't worry guys, because you can convert it. You can go to this machine and you're going to insert your honey seed. I'm going to use my honey daisy. We can click on insert seed right here. Okay, and then you're going to start the incubator. It costs 350 honey coins, and you can see the information right here. Unlock honey seeds for your main garden by converting them in the incubator. And I'm going to start. Oops, sorry guys, I clicked the wrong one. Okay, this action is irreversible. Click on confirm and it will consume the honey coins, and it needs 15 minutes to convert guys, so you need to wait. And after the seed has been converted, you will be able to plant them in your main garden. Okay guys, and that's how you can convert the honey seed to the normal seed for your main garden in Grow Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.